Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy D Smooth. And I'm back with another 360 wave video. You feel me? And yeah, well, totally 360 waves. Your boy been putting that brush to work. You feel me? I'm like 6 weeks in woofing, you dig? So yeah, it's almost time to cut this wolf off. 2 more weeks and then y'all gonna see crazy progress when I cut it off. When I cut this off, man, man, I just can't wait to cut this wolf off, man. This wolf been getting to me, dog. I can't wait to cut this wolf off, but I got 2 more weeks. And when I cut it off, yeah, I'm gonna be elite, you feel me? So, yeah, man, that's enough of me talking, man. Let me just show y'all the progress real quick. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be one of the best wavers in the world soon. Trust the process. You feel me? I've been waving for what? Like 3.5 months. So I haven't been a waver for that long. But yeah, I'm gonna be the best in the world soon, man. But yeah, man, hit the like and subscribe button. You feel me? Wave tips coming soon. You feel me? Probably when I cut this wolf off and my waves looking clean, I'm gonna start, showing y'all, what I do, so you can get like your boy D Smooth. Alright, I'm gonna start giving y'all tips on how to get y'all waves on spin and how to have your waves looking silky, all that good stuff. But hit the like and subscribe button for your boy, man. Leave something down in the comment section, man. If you in the other videos, reaction videos, vlogs, all that, go check out my other videos, man. More lit content coming soon. We're almost at 100 subscribers too. We almost there, man. So keep showing support, keep sharing it with your mama, your baby mama, your auntie, your great auntie, your great grandma. Keep sharing it with your friends, all that, man. And keep smashing that like button, man. I want to see more likes on my videos. Hey, and start commenting, y'all, man. I know y'all watching, so just comment. Come on, just say what's up. Say it was good to me. Say something. Don't be shy. Say something to the kid, man. But yeah, man, that's all I wanted to say, man. And yeah, I'm gonna end off on that note because I'm just stalling out. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later, dog. And if nobody told you, I love you, but most importantly, God loves y'all more, dog. D Will signing out, and I'll catch y'all later, dog. 1.